Good morning, students, and welcome back to your English class. Students, yesterday we have started part C of our unit 1, and in this part C, we have read a tape script, which is a piece of conversation between a teacher, Miss Datta, and her students. And what they were conversing about, what they were talking about, they were talking about the game Kabaddi. And students, I have asked you to solve these questions on the basis of reading that tape script or either listening to my video. So let us see what is asked in these blanks. Number of players on each side is, how many players are there? Number of players on each side is 5 to 10. The team that is the winner. Which team is the winner? That catches maximum members of the opposing team. That catches maximum members of the opposing team. The magic word to be chanted is Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Now let us see our next question. Students, it's our C3. What you are asked to do here? Let us find out. Get into groups of 4. They have asked us to make groups of 4 as we are supposed to do this activity in our classroom. So students, we will do this activity while we have regular classes in the school. Okay, so today I'm just giving you a hint that what we are supposed to do in this question. So get into groups of 4 means we have to make group of 4 students. Now imagine that a famous sports personality of the group's choice. Now different students have different choices. Now whichever personality or whoever you like to choose, you will have to choose that sports personality. You have to imagine, okay, you have to think over that personality has visited your school. Now collect relevant information about the personality. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to collect the desired information about that famous sports personality. One student, now we have categorized student, we have named students as A, B, C, D. Suppose A, B, C, D is a name of 4 students. So what we have to do, one student, namely G, he assumes the role of famous personality. He will think himself to be the sports personality, means he will have to be assumed as the famous sports personality. So he or she answers the questions asked by the other 3 students. Now rest of the 3 students, they will ask the different questions by assuming that the student D is the famous sports personality, and which sports personality that they have imagined. Now the questions are given below. Now they have given different questions here that the students want to ask from their favorite sports personality. Different questions are given here. So we will do this activity whenever we have regular classes in the school. Now next is last part of our unit 1 is part D. It is read it yourself, means this passage is for self reading, means you have to read it at yourself, but still I am helping you to understand what is given in this passage. Let us read. Its title is What's Really Important, means what is really important, which thing is more important. So a few years ago, at the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled at the starting line for the 100-meter race. Now, a few years ago means some years ago at the Special Olympics. Now, first of all, what are Olympics? Olympics are a type of a sport activity that is organized after every 4 years. Means ये games arrange की जाती हैं हर एक 4 साल के बाद. And why they are named as Olympics? Because they have been started at a place named Olympia in ancient Greek. Okay, and now special word is given here along with them. Special Olympics. Special Olympics means such Olympics that are organized for disabled participants, disabled persons. Disabled persons are those persons who are unable to use their some body part, some part of their body due to either some injury or due to some disease. Like you can see in the picture here, the participants are given. So they are using crutches here. It means they are unable to use their legs without crutches. So these are disabled. So what is given in this? A few years ago at the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants. Participants means those persons who are taking part in some game. So assembled. Assembled means gathered. Come together at the starting line for the 100-meter race. Now why these 9 participants have assembled there? Why they have come there? So they have gathered there to for the 100-meter race, as they are going to run a race. So as at the whistle, they all started out to run the race and win the Olympic prize. Now as the referee blew the whistle, whistle means he made a sound either by using a metallic instrument or either by through mouth. But whistle means actually it means in Hindi CT. So at the whistle they all started out to run the race and win the Olympic prize. Now they all started to run for winning that prize. There was, however, one boy who fell down a few times and began to cry. Now there was among these 9 participants, there was a boy who fell down, and not only once, a few times means more than one time he fell down and he began to cry now. The other 8 children heard the boy's cry. Now the other 8 children who were running along with him, they heard his cry. They slowed down. Now they slowed down their race as they were running and paused. Paused means stopped. And they all stopped. Then they all turned around and went back. Now they all turned around and went back to the boy. One girl bent down and kissed him. Now one girl out of them, she went down and sat near that boy and kissed him. She said, "This will make you better." So she told him that this kiss will make you better. Now why she said this? She said this that you will feel better as we all are with you. We are not running the race, we are standing with you. So this will make you better. Then all the 9 linked arms. Linked means joined arms and walked together to the finish line. And then they all together, by joining their arms, started moving towards the finish line. Now everyone in the stadium stood up. Now everyone in the stadium is a place where audiences sit who are watching these games. So everybody stood up there and the cheering went for 10 minutes and everybody keep on cheering, keep on applauding for them for nearly 10 minutes. Now why everybody cheering them? Why? Because they feel extremely delighted to see their sense of helpfulness, to see their sense of cooperation. Okay, so students, what we learned in this passage, what we read in this passage, that it is not important to win any prize while you are playing a game. Which thing is more important? First thing is that you are participating in that game fairly. Secondly, you have a team spirit, you have a sense of cooperation, means you feel for others, you are helpful, you are thinking about others also. So which thing is more important? Human qualities. We all should have human values, we should help each other, we should cooperate with each other, and we should understand others problems also. So that's all about this passage, students, and with this passage we have completed our unit 1, and from tomorrow we will start revising our practice book. But students, I have an information for you. And what is the information? That on Saturday, keep it in your mind, on Saturday I will take your test of the reader book. And of which part I will take your test? I will take your test of the exercise A5. Note down exercise A5, and I will also take your dictation test of the chapter A True Friend. What will I ask you in the dictation test? In the dictation test, I will give you at least 10 words, 10 new words from the lesson, and I will speak them in the video, and you will have to write them with their correct spellings. Okay, means I have to check your that whether you have learned the spellings also or not. Get it? So I will take your test of two things. First one is your A5 of the unit 1, and second one is your lesson A True Friend, in which from which I will give you the dictation test to check your spellings. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.